Not sure whether to rent a moving truck or hire movers? Here's how to choose the option that fits your budget, timeline, and moving needs. If you rent a moving truck and you usually spend less upfront, this option works well for smaller moves, short distances, or people who do not mind doing the packing, loading, driving, and unloading themselves. There are a few things many people forget to factor in. You may need to pay for fuel, mileage, moving equipment, insurance, tolls, and hotel stays for long-distance moves. Plus, driving a large moving truck can feel intimidating if you have never done it before. On the other hand, hiring professional movers gives you convenience and peace of mind. Movers handle the heavy lifting, loading, transportation, and unloading. Professional movers are especially helpful for long-distance moves, large households, heavy furniture, or busy families who want to avoid the stress of managing everything themselves. Of course, hiring movers usually costs more than renting a truck, but for many people that extra cost is worth it because it saves time, effort, and a lot of risk. The best choice really depends on your budget, timeline, move size, and comfort level. If you want the cheapest option and do not mind the work, renting a truck may be the better fit. But if you value convenience and want a smoother move, professional movers can be a smart investment. No matter which option you choose, planning ahead can help you save money and avoid last-minute stress. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com and contact us to plan a smarter, easier, and more affordable move.